Magandang hapon po ng May 14, 2024 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 14, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, May 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 14, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 67.5 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for Tuesday, May 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 14, 2024 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.